Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix an error that comes when you're trying to run some games or some softwares. So we're going to run Need for Speed. So when you run Need for Speed, you get this error that D D3D compiler underscore 43.dll was not found. So it tells you to try reinstalling the software, but this software is actually a portable software, so you have to run it, not install it. So the code execution cannot proceed because x input 1 underscore 3 dll was not found. So there is a way through that, and I'll show you how to do it right now. So you go to your browser and you type in DirectX download. Most most likely the first link will take you to the Microsoft.com. Click on that. So you choose a language: Chinese, Czech, Dutch, French, English, but mine is English, so I'll use English. You download the software. If it doesn't appear, you can download it manually here, but it appeared. So we go and look at the software where it actually went. So it went to downloads, program download. You run the DX12 web setup. You accept the agreement. Next again. You may then it gives you the download size 93 MB. Press next. Now you have to wait. So now your components are ready for use. So let's try and see. We go to the desktop again. Need for Speed. And try run again. And this time from the game worked. So we fixed the problem, but in case your issue didn't get fixed, there's a fix for that too. Okay, let's close the game. So in case you didn't get a fix, you can download the D3D, that one. Besides that on the net, then give you the dll5.com. Choose that one. And you can download the demo files from here. You download either 32-bit or 64-bit, but because they weren't, I'm not going to download them. And hey guys, if you liked my wallpapers, I'll leave a link to the description where you can get these and more wallpapers. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.